connection, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're an old subscriber and if you're a new subby, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an aloe vera face mask, and you're only going to need 3 ingredients. You're going to need some aloe, and the reason mine is so small is because you only need 1 teaspoon. You're also going to need some measuring spoons to measure each ingredient. Need some cinnamon, and lastly you're going to need some honey. You're also going to need a container to mix it in, something to crush the aloe and mix the ingredients with, and something to apply the face mask with. And this is my makeup brush, or my face mask brush, because I don't wear makeup. I'm going to go through the measurements with you guys as I mix the mask. I already cleansed my face, so if you guys are not aware, we always cleanse our face before a face mask, and this mask is mainly for oily or acne prone skin, and I'm going to tell you guys the benefits of using this face mask while I'm applying it. And yeah, let's just get into this mixture. Okay, so this is my tablespoon of the aloe vera, and I'm putting that into my container now. And now I'm going to put in a teaspoon of the honey and a teaspoon of the cinnamon. I'm going to mix all of those together. Probably should have blended this aloe first, but okay, so this is what it's starting to look like. I'm probably gonna have to apply this with my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna have to apply this with my hand. I can use a brush. Okay, so this is what it looks like after, and I'm not sure if applying with a brush is going to be, oh yes, it does work. Okay, so I'm applying it now. And you're supposed to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes after application, and you can do it 2 to 3 times a week. The aloe vera works to soothe and heal painful bumps, and the cinnamon and honey work to fight bacteria while erasing acne at the source and preventing it. Okay, so I finished applying it and it's tingling a little bit, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it on for the entire 15 minutes, but I'll let it do what it's supposed to do and then come back and let you guys know how my skin feels and we'll see how it looks. So I've just washed off the mask and my face does feel pretty smooth after taking it off. I'm not sure what the slight redness is from. I'll have to read up on that, but there was a bit of tingling, I think from the cinnamon, and then after it began to dry completely it stopped tingling. But my face does feel really soft and smooth, and I'm just going to add some vitamin E oil to moisturize it, and then I'm gonna leave you guys because that'll be the end of this video. So I'm just gonna moisturize with this. And sealing all of the ingredients from that mask. I'm not sure my face is so red though. Probably stained from the cinnamon, I don't know. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you on my next one.